With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, from a pack of 52 cards, 4 cards are drawn one by one without replacement. Find the probability that all are aces. So first of all, number of aces is equals to 4. So the probability to get one ace will be equals to 4 upon 52, because 52 is the total number of cards present in our deck and 4 is the number of aces present in one deck. Now when one ace is already taken out, then 3 aces will be left, and as one card is taken out, then 51 card will be left. Again, when 2 cards of aces are taken out, then 2 are left, and if 2 cards from the deck is taken out, then 50 cards will left. Now 1 will be left, and here 49 will be left. So this is the probability of getting an ace from a pack of 52 cards. So the answer is 1 upon 13, 17, 25. It is 1 upon 13 into 17 into 25 into 49. This is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.